who's the next batsman who's going to come for his partnership. Everybody looking very confident. They just want to target Merchant home this year. And we have Hamza deciding who to send next. Hamza has a great strategy for his team. He doesn't want to take any disadvantage this time to sending somebody. And we have a gentleman coming in white. Maybe it's the Empire coming to play. Or is the team member? All right, a huge round of applause from Merchant Home for the man who's coming to bat. He looks too confident. Saddam is all hot, sweating out there. There's a slogan for Merchant Home. It says, East-West, among the rest, we are the best. And we have the next batsman from Merchant Home all set
and
to bat.
his name is Mallory Seth, right?
What's his name?
Mallory. Yeah, we have a new batsman on the crease, and it's going to face the first ball. Try to play the leg side, but ठीक से कनेक्ट नहीं होने के कारण कोई रन नहीं.
We have the wicketkeeper Raju out there trying to take a wicket bowled.
और ये अगला गेंद खेलने
Beautiful
का
ball.
प्रयास,
That's a
लेकिन
beautiful ball, but Tawfiq missed it.
एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए
And they're taking one more overthrow, but they did
ओवर
not.
थ्रो का फायदा उठा सकते थे, लेकिन बैट्समैन अपना कैप की तरफ ज्यादा ध्यान देते हुए.
And we have Chand who saved a overthrow 4 out there.
अगला गेंद
Sanu's the next ball by Sanu to Merchant Home. Saddam,
और
and
ये
that is the
एक
wicket. We have one more wicket drop by Merchant Home in house. That's Sanu looking too confident by taking the wickets down. We got 22 number Amjad giving a team strategy to his team. Lonavala Panchgini. He's sending all his men behind at the boundary line. And we have Boy running with the bat on the crease by Merchant Home. And we got Abdullah also on the crease. And it looks like the next batsman is Abdullah playing for Merchant Home. Looks too confident for his team. A lovely shake hand before starting the match.
You have 33 runs with a loss of 3 wickets, 4th over going on.
Abdullah is all set to hit his first ball. Whoa, that was a lovely place but just missed. We got Sanu on bowling who's not allowing Merchant Home to score anyone, and that's the end of the over. What a over by Merchant Home. That was LPG was bowling and Merchant Home was fielding. A beautiful over, Merchant Home. A beautiful over, LPG Lonavala Panchgini. Let's hit the track, DJ.
check check check.
We have 33 runs with a loss of 3 wickets, done with the 4th over.
Once again, reminding everybody the scoreboard is right now. Currently, score is 33, lost of 3 wickets and 4 overs down. Last 4 overs remaining. And we got LPG who's come next. That's Shabir who's going to ball from LPG Lonavala Panchgini. What a beautiful ball, and that's a wicket of Merchant Home. Let's go, DJ.
It's on.
Reminding everybody the score is right now 33 runs down, 4 wickets and 4 overs down. Last 4 over remains with 4 wickets down of Merchant Home. Score is 33 to go. Cut. Cut. Dibs cut. It looks like LPG Lonavala Panchgini looks too confident in house, and Shabir is too happy to take the first wicket on his first bowl. Abdullah is trying his best to make his team win. Hamza, is the captain of Merchant Home, has sent the next batsman who's going to play for his team. But it looks like LPG Lonavala Panchkin is not going to give them any chance to win this year. We got Amjad from Lonavala Panchkin who's trying his best to make his team win.
अगले नए बैट्समैन जैकी क्रीज की तरफ और क्रीज पर आप पहुंच चुके। अगला गेंद फुल टॉस और ये बॉल सीधे हवा में उड़ते हुए फील्डर तैनात, लेकिन कोई प्रयास नहीं उस कैच को लपक कर विकेट की तरफ।
We got the next batsman,
लेकिन-
Zakin in house. Zakin is on the runner-up. And Abdullah on the batting side. Shabir looks too confident with his third ball.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास, लेकिन
And that's Abdullah
लेकिन
giving his sign to his another
गेंद
batsman,
सीधा
runner-up.
बॉलर के हाथ में।
Raju More, please report to the office. And there's a call by the umpire. It looks like Abdullah has practiced whole night long to make his team win. Too confident on his face. He's looking at his team members, thinking what's going on. He really wants his team to win this year also. But we got Shabir who's on the bowling. He's not going to allow that to happen this year. He looks too confident. Shabir all set to run.
नो बॉल का इशारा। अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास और ये लेकिन फील्डर की तरफ बाउंड्री लाइन
That
की
goes a
ओर
boundary for Merchant
बॉल
Home,
लुढ़कते हुए,
DJ.
लेकिन सीधा बाउंड्री।
Ishe.
दैट्स फोर।
I know you want it. I know you want. I know you want it.
चार और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए
I know you want. I know you want it.
शेक 39 रन्स। और ये अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास, लेकिन सीधा कीपर के हाथ में।
Abdullah trying his best for Merchant Home, making his team to win. We got Zakin standing with resting on his bat, thinking when I will get to run. But we got Shabir, the man, the bowler of the day, I think so, who's bowling really awesome. Oh,
और
that's
ये
a lovely,
फुल
lovely
टॉस
batting
बॉल
by
सीधा
Abdullah.
गेंद
And that's
बाउंड्री
a
लाइन
lovely
की
boundary
तरफ
for
और
Merchant
ये
Home.
और चौका अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए चार और रन।
I know you want it.
And that says like
I know you
they've
want
got. That's like every
DJ
dad. That's like every dad and son. When kid does something great, Papa claps. When Abdullah hits four, Papa claps also. And that's
और ये
a
अगला
beautiful
गेंद-
place, but a stop boundary by Abdullah to his member. That's Zaheen.
खेलने का प्रयास,
Zakin
लेकिन
is trying.
बॉल एज की तरफ मुड़कर लगने के कारण गेंद पिच पर ही रुकी रही
And the
और एक
current
और ओवर
score
की
now for the
समाप्ति।
team. And the beautiful score out here, it's 43 runs with a loss of 4 wickets, 5 overs down. Reminding Merchant Home, you got 3 more overs to play. Reminding you once again, the score is 43 overs, 4 wickets, and 5 overs down. Reminding Merchant Home, you got last 3 overs to play. Score as much as you can. The target is awesome. It is 43 run, the highest of the day.
अगला गेंद लेग साइड में खेलने का प्रयास, फुल टॉस बॉल, लेकिन गेंद लुढ़कते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ, फील्डर तैनात, 2 रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए तीसरा रन लेने का प्रयास।
That's Sanu taking the ball out there. We got a new bowler out there looking bright, shiny face. Looks too confident. And that's Sanu bowling the next bowling again.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास ऑफ साइड पर, लेकिन गेंद कीपर के हाथ में मिस फील्ड होते हुए स्लीप के हाथ में।
Sanu's taken the 6th over out there.
अगला गेंद
Zakin.
फुल टॉस और ये गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ उड़ते हुए फील्डर तैनात और ये
That's a
गेंद
boundary for Merchant Home again. What a score, Merchant Home. That's 49 runs to go with a loss of 5 wickets, 5 over. There's a small smile on Abdullah's face. It looks like his team is going to still do it this year. The score is the top of the day today. It's 49 runs, 4 wickets down, 6th over going on.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास स्लीप की तरफ और एक रन
And
अपने
that's
खाते में
Sanu
जोड़ते
again
हुए
doing the 6th over, not allowing Merchant Home to score as much as run they can. We got LPG, Lonavala, Panchgini all over the crease out there, the boundary line. And Abdullah is on the batting, and there you go,
अब्दुल्ला
Abdullah.
को फुल
Great
टॉस बॉल
hit,
और ये गेंद
and it is a catch. And unfortunately, Abdullah is out by Merchant Home. But a hearty congratulations to Merchant Home because it's half century out here. That's 50 runs with 5 wickets down and 6th over going on. We are 1 wicket down of Merchant Home. Reminding you once again, the score is half century 50 with a loss of 5 wickets. 5 wickets down, 50 runs, half century. 5 wickets down. The 6th batsman is on the crease. 6th over going on. All right, we have the captain of the Merchant Home on the crease. Can I have a round of applause for the captain? It looks like Farooq's team is not cheering for them. And we have the captain of the Merchant Home all set to score for his team, making his team win. Let's see what Merchant Home does this year. Merchant Home looks too confident, but do not. Reminding them once again, they have Panchgini Lonavala standing opposite on their way.
और ये लेग साइड की तरफ गेंद लुढ़कते हुए फील्डर तैनात फील्डर के हाथ में
And that's Zakeen
एक और
helping
रन।
his partner to win in the match. That's Merchant Home playing versus against Lonavala Panchgini. What a beautiful leg that was. Reminding Merchant Home, you're 51 to go, 51 runs with the loss of 5 wickets. 6th over going on. And we have Sanu taking the 6th over. What a beautiful over it is. What a beautiful run. What a beautiful day out here. We have Chand taking the 7th over.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेग साइड की तरफ लेकिन
Both the 7
वाइड का
number.
इशारा
7 numbers are playing. 1-7 number Zakeen is batting. 7 number bowler Sanu is bowling.
अगला गेंद फिर से लेग साइड में खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन फील्डर तैनात बहुत ही सुंदर फील्डिंग बॉल को रोकते हुए एक रन
Reminding the other teams, Farooq's team and the other team, we got a tattoo artist out there. You can make a lovely face painting, a logo of your team. We got Ashish Akre in house, one of the most
Agla game.
face painter of the Mumbai. So you can grab a face painting, a logo of your team, and make your team proud.
एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की ओर लेकिन
Chand is trying
लेग
his best to
साइड
take
के
Zakeen
बाहर
down.
लेग स्टंप के बाहर से गेंद गुजरते हुए सीधा कीपर के हाथ में अंपायर का वाइड का इशारा
And the total score is
फ्रंट फुट पर आकर खेलने का लेकिन बीच की लकड़ी उड़ते हुए
and unfortunately Merchant
Out.
Home lost
It's
one more
bowled.
wicket. Zakeen is out. With a loss of 1 wicket, Merchant Home is 6 wickets down, 52 runs to go. Right.
check DJ
All right, that's Hamza on the crease looking for the next batsman, making Merchant Home win as much as you can this year also. But we got LPG, Lonavala, Panchgini all set to take the wickets down. And Merchant Home is setting a beautiful target out there. Camera, can you face that side? And the score is right now 51 runs with the loss of 6 wickets and 7th over going on. What a beautiful run rate it is.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेग साइड पर, लेकिन बॉल सीधा
And we got
कीपर के
Salim
हाथ
Bhai
में।
in house. Salim A, who's come as a new batsman for Merchant Home. Salim is trying his best to make his team win Merchant Home.
अगला
And
गेंद
that's a
और
beautiful
ये
toss.
ऑफ साइड पर खेलने का प्रयास, लेकिन गेंद सीधा हवा में उछलते हुए फील्डर के ऊपर से दूसरा फील्डर तैनात।
And that's a handsome field out there. Raju who's not going to allow any ball to cross over him, under him, around him. Raju's all set with his pants up. And that's the captain placing really awesome by Merchant Home.
एक और रन।
Everybody's getting closer and closer as Merchant Home. Captain is playing the batsman. What a beautiful day. So we got Dubes in house, we got Jesha, and we got every beautiful people out here.
एक और ओवर की समाप्ति, 7 ओवर।
And reminding everybody, we have the run rate going out 54 runs for Merchant Home with the loss of 6 wickets and 7th over. Reminding everybody once again, the score is 54 runs, the highest score of the day till now, with the loss of 6 wickets and 7 overs down.
और ये आखिरी ओवर का पहला गेंद,
That's Sanu taking
खेलने
the
का
last
प्रयास
over.
फ्रंट फुट, लेकिन एक मिस फील्डिंग, दूसरा रन लेने का प्रयास और ये दूसरा रन महंगा हो सकता है और अंपायर ने
हो
सीधा उंगली ऊपर
गया.
उठा
And the
दिया
loss
है।
of 7 wickets. Merchant Home down with 7 wickets. What a loss for a Merchant by taking 1 run, DJ. That was a amazing strategy by Merchant Home, going to try to take one more, but unfortunately the wicketkeeper was too cunning. He was holding the ball, but he shot the ball was missed, and as soon as the Merchant Home tried to take a run, he threw the ball and made Merchant Home player out. We have Sanu doing the next bowling of the
अगला
last over.
गेंद, एक छोटा सा मिसकंफ्यूजन बिटवीन बैट्समैन एंड रनर, लेकिन कोई रन नहीं। वेरी डिसीजन,
We
वेरी
have
गुड कॉल
Monu Bhai
बिटवीन
who's
द
come.
विकेट्स।
We have Monu Bhai who's come as a news batsman. Monu Bhai looks too confident for his team. Looking at the umpire. Monu Bhai is deciding what's happening out there. But he's not giving up for his team. We got the captain of Merchant Home playing amazing.